Hi, my name is Laura Taylor. I am currently attending Central Michigan University for my master's degree in early childhood education. I am in a class HCF 508 for administration and leadership. And this presentation is going to be about competency E, which you can find under health and safety and nutrition in the Michigan Core Knowledge and Core Competency book. Competency E demonstrates ability to partner with families to exchange information, provide services and/or referrals, and create links with health, safety, and nutrition programs. And that being said, it is showing teachers, principals, directors, anyone that's working with children and students about how they can become a team with their coworkers, with community partnership, and what the rules and regulations and licensing laws that they have to follow to keep their students, their children that are in their program healthy and safe and nutritious, and what they can find out in the community and reach out to them to help them with some of the maybe special needs that they don't have at school. And know that they have a teamwork that they need to reach out and get this kid or student, child, the best nutrition and health they can get and education.